Hi, so in this integration, we're going to look at how to import and integrate your Pocket. So if you go to Import Integrations and you scroll down to Pocket, the way the Pocket integration works is that it essentially connects your MyReach account to your Pocket account, whereby all the websites that you've saved in Pocket are then automatically imported into MyReach. For each of those websites, MyReach then analyzes all the context, extracts all the key relevant information, and then saves it so you can then learn it and you can search it instantly later. In addition to that, all tags that you have in Pocket are then created as tags in MyReach, as topics, and then they're connected automatically to the relevant websites. Similarly, if you've starred any of the websites that you've saved in Pocket, or you have any sort of favorite on them, that will add a star property, as you can then see here below. And similarly, if one of your websites was stored as archived, then it will mark in your properties with the property Pocket archived on a checkbox. That way you can differentiate which ones were archived, which one weren't, which one your favorite, which one weren't. So in essence, all key relevant information of your Pocket is automatically imported and adapted to MyReach. So here, I'm just going to walk you through how it works. So in this case, I've already logged into my Pocket, and then lets me know what is going to happen, and then I authorize it. In authorizing it, it takes me straight back into MyReach. As you can see here, it's just loading. And then similar to the other integrations, you have here the spinner with a progress showing you exactly what state the integration is in. As you know from the other integrations, you don't have to stay for it to finish. You can automatically continue working on MyReach, and this will automatically just be importing in the background. Similar to other integrations equally, you can see here, once it's finished, there's a sand clock here. This is essentially a cooldown period. What does it mean? It means that you can't automatically integrate it again straight, like back to back. This is due to a rate limit set by Pocket. But here below, you can see when is the next time that you could do the integration. So the cooldown period for the Pocket integration is of 3 hours. So on this integration, similar to those, you can see the history log with what was created. So in this case, you can see that there was 2 tags that were updated, 9 that were created, and 12 websites were created. Here you have the total of it. And then remember, if you delete the integration, it will delete the workspace and move all of the nodes within that workspace to the unassigned. So this is a very brief introduction to the Pocket integration. If you have any questions, if something wasn't clear, let me know in the comments, or you can always check out our handbook here on how it works. See you in the next video.